All right, now, so let's go ahead and display the cities in a more detailed way at this section right here. Um, so let me see if I go right there, and if I minimize this, as you can see, Beast weekly offers in each city. So yeah, there is actually the part where we're gonna display the cities. There is an item right there, and there is also an item right there, and an item right there, and it goes on. So we're gonna simply remove these items, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove them. We're gonna go right there. We're gonna go for each cities as city. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna loop through this part. Paste. All right. Let me copy the city object, and let me go at the image part. Let me go asset. We're gonna go assets slash images slash, and we're gonna concatenate the city, and we're gonna send in the image like that. So let me copy this, and there is the name. Let me make this so it will actually be named like that. And we're not gonna send in the chickens. Let me comment this whole thing. We remove it like this. All right, so the person, yeah, this is actually the price. Let me copy this and go right there and paste this in. So this will be priced like that. So the deal includes, so all of this, yeah. I guess that, you know, those two will simply be static, but you know, the days part, we're simply gonna echo out the days. Paste. So this will be number underscore days like that. And yeah, this is actually everything. So just save. All right. So there's a problem with displaying the image basically. We forgot to delete this part. Save. But it's working perfectly since it's actually displaying Cairo right here. That means that it's working perfectly. If we simply go and access the second country, as you can see, welcome to Germany, and there is the cities, and there it is actually Berlin, as you can see, and there it is $500 for a person. So yeah, as you can see, and also the number of days strip right here. So what else? I guess that this video is actually over, but let's go ahead and let's try and insert like 2 cities for each country. For example, just gonna click copy right here. All right, so this is taking a while. All right, so instead of Berlin, I'm just gonna make this Frankfurt like that, and the city image, we go to assets, the image, the city image right there. I'm gonna keep it so it will be cities-3.gbg, and the price we can keep it like $400 or $300, whatever that you want to call it, and this will be simply just 4 days, and the country ID will be 2 because we're going to link this to Germany. Let me go ahead and click go. All right, so as you can see, let's go ahead and copy this. So this will be, let me see, Giza, for example, and this is of course an Egyptian city. So there it is, the image. and we're gonna keep this so it will be like, let me, $700. And let's not keep it like too high. I'm just gonna keep this, 450. So the number of days, this will be 5, and the country, it will be 1, country ID. Let's click go. Alright, so as you can see, we got now our fourth record. Let's refresh this. We should actually see 2 cities. Alright, so as you can see right there, now we got 2 cities right here. So there is a problem, a problem also with this part at the bottom. We have an image that's not going up. So let me go down. There it is. Let me cut all of this right here and just paste, save. Alright, so as you can see right there, so there is a couple of information right here. For example, amazing places, number of places right there, and different check-ins yearly. We might remove this part, but we can make this part actually dynamic. And we go back to the controller, we can just go right there, and we can go cities count right there, and this will equal city like that. And we will go select, for example, and we will go where the country underscore ID equals the ID that's coming in, and we can just go count like that, and this will actually send in the count. So let me copy this and also send it right there. Save. Let me copy this right now and go to the about, and we can comment this part, but we can go right there and we can just go cities count like that. Save. Alright, so as you can see now it's +2 amazing places. So of course, the more you add to it, the more it will actually be added right here, the more records that you add. If we access Egypt, for example. Alright, so as you can see, we have now Cairo and Giza. $400 right here and $450. So as you can see, 2 amazing places still, because we have 2 cities in this country right here. Alright, so I guess that this is all for this video. I just want to go ahead and, for example, fix the part for the image, and that is, let me see, before we just finish off this video, because it's not too long, I feel like I did not do much in it. I'm just going to go to layouts, app.blade, and there it is, the assets. There is our logo. All I'm just going to do right there, I'm just going to write in my directive, cut this and paste. Let's save. Alright, so now we will actually see our own logo right down here. Let's also fix a couple of things. So for example, this is the home page. We should make this so it will go to the home. We will make this dynamic, so we will go asset and we will go home like that. This is actually route, not asset. Alright, so this is the about page. We're actually not gonna need this. So commented, and we did not even work with the deals page just yet. And for the login, I'm just gonna go remove this, and I'm gonna go route like that. So this will be login. Let me copy this. Let me go right there and paste. So this will be register. Alright, so save this. Alright, so there we go. I guess that everything right here is working perfectly, and in the next video we will begin working with that make reservation right here. So this will be all, and I'll see you on the next video.